The purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to create gift certificates inside of Microsoft Word. The first thing you're going to do is click on File, and you're going to select New. When you look over to the right side of Office.com templates, click in the space and type in gift certificates. Press the Enter key. And in this instance, you have a variety of different gift certificates that you can select. So let's say you wanted to click on this particular one for holiday. You could click Download. Once this opens up, you can go in and make modifications in the manner that you desire. So in this instance, you can just go in and click in order to make changes.